All right, what's up, guys? It's been a minute since I've made a video, and I thought I would just do a quick show and tell. I have this RC car. It's the Rampage XB, and it's been a minute since I've taken it out to play, so I figured I would dust it off and put these things back together and take it for a spin. So I would say it's probably been 4 or 5, 6 maybe years since I've played with it, and so I figured I would show you guys one of my toys in sort of a show and tell style. Um, so I'm just here taking everything off, doing a quick inspection, just checking to make sure all the pieces are there, and doing a quick turnaround, or just making sure it's ready to go, make sure I got everything. It's only got a little bit of fuel in there, so I'm gonna just run it with what it has. Besides that, I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a quick dusting, and we'll time lapse this so you guys don't have to watch me go through all the details. So now that I've just about got everything clean, I'm gonna go ahead and check the alignment, because as you can see in the video, one of the tires, the front left tire, is a little bit worn, and I need to make some adjustments. So this is me checking everything out. You can see that looking at the screen here, that front right tire or front left tire, it's worn on the inside, and the front right hand side is in decent shape, but there's a little bit of wear on the inboard side. So the back wheels, they look okay, they're in decent shape, and so is the other tire, so in the back. So as you can see, I have my digital caliper, and I'm going to take some measurements of the front right hand side, and I'm going to try to make it as close as possible with the left hand side so that they can be evenly aligned. You'll see here as I'm taking some measurements here that the front right side measures just over 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters. And as far as the left side is concerned, taking some measurements on that size measured right around 17, see, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, so I couldn't find the wrench that goes to that part, so I had to use some good old fancy needle nose pliers, and I'm gonna get the batteries hooked up and give it a test run. So let's check it out.